Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix earphone connection and headphone jack problem in your device Samsung A50 and A50s. So if you're having any problem related to earphone connection or headphone jack, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if you're facing earphone connection and headphone jack problem.